Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, let's head into Rouses and see if they have anything interesting that's gonna make the hot logic happen. Y'all stand by. Alright YouTube family, that went quite well. We found some stuffed chicken thighs with jalapenos for $4.89. That is going in the apple cool refrigerator, and we will have those perhaps tomorrow. But my favorite, I love these things so much, these cook in the bag meals, that I actually bought the bags, and I'll be doing a video on those later, probably in the next week or two. And we're gonna prepare our own meal in the bag. I found them on Amazon and they're relatively cheap. All right, family, this catfish was $4.60. Seasoned catfish with green beans, cooked in a bag. I'm not sure if these are farm raised or wild catfish or whatever, but it really doesn't matter because your boy is hungry. All right, family, you simply throw these in the freaking Hot Logic. Boom. I'm gonna go up front and hit the switch, and we're gonna call it lunchtime in about an hour. We got some errands to run. I gotta run to Walmart. I gotta do a quick return. And I'm going to, if y'all have been around the channel for a while, you know that we're in the middle of a home renovation. So I'm running up to one of our local hardware stores or furniture stores. I guess you call it a furniture store. And they sell things like cabinets and things of that nature. So we're going and seeking we find some cabinets for the laundry room, because that's going to be the first thing that me and Lady Red approach. We're going to try to do that laundry room myself. Our contract is done. He's all paid. We're satisfied with his work, very satisfied. And now it's on me and Lady Red to take over from here on out. So all right, family, we're going to go ahead and zip up our Hot Logic. Booyah! We're going to go up front and hit the switch. We got about an hour or two of running around to do, and then we'll see where this catfish is. And these are beans by the time we finish our running around. Family, y'all stay tuned. Your boy be right back. I got 2 sets of blackout curtains I want to return. The receipt's in the bag. All right, family. We're leaving Walmart. We made our return. We returned a couple of things, but in typical Roselle fashion, I bought more than I returned. We needed some curtains for the back room, which is going to be my man cave at some point. It's actually the sunroom. Y'all seen it in a couple of other videos. And we put the big TV back there, so we're trying to cut the glare. So we're putting curtains in the sunroom. So it'll no longer be the sunroom, it'll be the curtain room. But anyway, fam, we're done our business at Walmart. Now we're headed to that furniture store, you will call it, or cabinet store or whatever. And we're gonna look for some cabinets in order to fix that laundry room up and get that project started. All right, family, I put that fish on at 4:15, I think it was, and it's currently 4:44. So maybe another half hour, 45 minutes. We'll check that fish in the bag and see how she's doing. Yeah, I'll stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hey, how y'all doing? I'm looking for a cabinet to go in my laundry room, something just for us to fold clothes with 2 drawers or 2 doors at the bottom, perhaps, or yeah, I think it's gonna be about 36. Oh, I got me. All right, fam, by my calculations, this has been cooking for about an hour. So let's take a quick peek at it and see what we're looking at. Oh, ho, ho. Looking good, fam. Oh, yeah. Oh, hoo, hoo. By the time we get where we're going, it will be lunchtime. All right, family, y'all stand by. This video is coming in for a landing, and it's coming in real soon. All right, family, we are here. And if you want to know where here is our park. Ponderosa Park, and it's about to change dramatically. They're about to build a multi-million-dollar water park and facility right over there. All right, family, so let's go ahead and bring this video in for a landing. Family, if you've been around the channel for a while, you're following the hot logic, you know I like to take the hot logic and turn it off about 10 minutes before my meal is done. And that's what we've done. We cut it off about 10 minutes ago. And so it cooked for a total of about an hour, and I let it cool for about 10 minutes. The reason I cut it off early is that bag keeps it piping hot. I'm not one of those people who like to, when they eat their food, because it's so freaking hot. So I like to let it cool off a little bit. That bag being totally sealed the way it is, keeps your food still at 165 degrees for a good 10, 15, possibly 20 minutes. All right, family, I carried on long enough. So let's go ahead and break this out. I'm gonna sit y'all over here, and we're gonna sit down and have ourselves a nice little supper, and we're gonna bring this video in for a landing. All right, fam. Why did I bring this? Why not? Why not? Absolutely. Yeah, baby. Let's make this a upscale video, if you will. All right, family, let's go ahead and cut this baby open. You know what I didn't bring? I didn't bring a spoon or fork. Booyah! You know what? We're gonna leave that right in the bag just like that. Check that out, fam. That is freaking amazing. Y'all stand by while I go get myself a fork. All right, fam. I don't know if Rouses is the only place that carries these cook in the bag, but when I first discovered them, I was so amazed by those freaking bags. I started to look at other grocery stores and I could not find them. So I went online and booyah! Look what I found. I found the bags. Now these are the 9x11, and how many bags are in this container? I'm not quite sure. I have to go look on my Amazon order and see how many bags are in this container. But it gives you microwave minutes, it gives you oven minutes, and of course we're gonna come up with our own Hot Logic minutes. But family, this is a marriage made in heaven. The Hot Logic, you put your food in here, put it in the Hot Logic, and let it cook. Think about this. My Apple Cool refrigerator, I probably can put 30 of these meals in that refrigerator. If I were to eat 2 meals a day, which is will never happen, that's a fantasy. But say I was intermittent fasting, I only ate 2 meals a day, I could go for possibly 10, 12, 15 days on just what I have on board the Jeep with these bags. Brilliant. You're gonna be seeing some more videos involving these bags. We're gonna do our own meals with fish, perhaps chicken, sausage, and we're gonna see just how far we can take it with these ready to go meal bags, steam cooking bags. Ready, chef, go. All right, family, we carried on long enough. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Oh wow, thumbnail. Booyah! Perfect, family. Those beans have just a little bit of crunch to them. Oh my goodness. Hold up. Oh, I'm always prepared. All right, family. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Hold up. All right, fam. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up. Tell your families and friends about my awesome channel where I do things like cook out of my Jeep. I cook in a turkey fryer. We cook in the Hot Logic portable oven. We rebuild houses. We paid too much money to have a house to refurbish. You name it, we do it. All right, family. Y'all take care. Have a great day. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.